For those people that want to buy a home and can't afford to buy a home, which is a lot of people because this market is very tough, you are not just having to resort to renting a property now. There is another option that can effectively give you some of the benefits of being a homeowner. And the other option is something called Airbnb friendly apartments. Now, I am talking about this concept and I'm not getting paid for it. I am in no way affiliated to Airbnb. I just think it's an awesome concept and a bridge if you can't afford to buy a home right now. So what this allows you to do is if you go to airbnb.com/apartment-friendly, you can go ahead and see apartment buildings that will allow you to rent out your unit through Airbnb as a tenant. So this will give you the opportunity to almost act like a landlord even though you don't own the property and you're just renting that home. So for example, there are some places in Los Angeles where you can rent out your apartment on average for around $800 per week. So if you're renting your apartment out for 1 week per month for a year, you're going to be making roughly $10,000 back from just using this feature and offset that rent payment to allow you to save some cash potentially to buy a home next year.